Yeah, this is the story of this young girl. She is tired drawing the eyebrow with eyebrow pencil. She came to Glojas, and 2 weeks ago we performed a smart eyebrow transplant. This is a nape of the neck, donor area, 2 weeks, already healed well. The most important today is we can see that microscope of the eyebrow is already shed off. The graft is already inside the eyebrow. Now is giving a fuller look on the right side of the eyebrow and the left side of the eyebrow.
Now I don't have to draw my eyebrows anymore every day, and thank you to Prof. Dato Dr. just for helping me to do this procedure successfully. Thank you, Glojas.